Now we're going to be doing the head and neck muscles. Okay, so the first one is the circular muscle around the eye called the orbiculus oculi. So orbiculus is circular or orbital. Oculi is telling you location. So that's your winking muscle. Then your next one is orbiculus oris. So orbiculus, again, is a circular muscle, oris meaning mouth. That is your puckering, kissing muscle. So you have orbiculus oculi, orbiculus oris. Then these two muscles make up the zygomaticus. Then moving to the side, the muscle running vertical is the masseter. And the masseter deals with mastication or chewing. Up above the ear on the side is the temporalis muscle, and that sits on the temporal bone of the skull. Below the ear, this large neck muscle is the sternocleidomastoid. So the sternocleidomastoid, as you can see, comes down to the clavicle and the sternum, and then back behind the ear is the mastoid process. Okay, so on this particular muscle, you can see the origins and the insertions. Okay, so the origin is the part of the muscle that's attached to the immovable bone. That would be the clavicle and the sternum. Then the insertion is the end of the muscle that is attached to the movable bone. That would be the mastoid process, because it's your skull or your head that's actually going to be moving.